Hi guys! We were going to discuss now about rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s by Teacher Let. What comes in your mind when you heard rounding? It's making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. It is also adjusting the digits up or down to make rough or estimating calculation easier. The result will be an estimated answer rather than a precise one. How do we round off numbers? Let us find the steps to follow. First, identify the rounding place and digit. Second, check the digit to its right. If it is less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, round it down. Retain the rounding digit and change the digits at the right to 0. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, round up the number. Add 1 to the rounding digit and change the digit at the right with 0. Let's try rounding number to the nearest thousands. Round 34,564 to the nearest thousands. Let us first identify which digit is in the thousands place. For this number, the digit in the thousands place is 4. So we just copy the number at the left of 4, which is 3. Next, let us examine the number to the right of 4. If it is less than 5, retain the digit to be rounded. If it is equal or more than 5, add 1 to the digit to be rounded. So the number to the right of 4 is 5. So we have to add 1. And that will become 5. Next is replace every digit to its right with 0. So, 34,564 rounded to the nearest thousand is 35,000. Let us have another example. Round 16,387 to the nearest thousands. Let us first identify the number at the thousands place. The number at the thousands place is 6. So, we just have to copy the number at the left of 6, which is 1. Next, let us check the digit to its right. If it is less than 5, retain the digit to be rounded. If it is more than 5, add 1 to the digit to be rounded. Since the number at the right of 6 is 3, we have to retain the number, and that will be 6. And then, replace every digit to its right with zeros. So, 16,387 rounded to the nearest thousand is 16,000. Let us try rounding number to the nearest 10,000. Round 73,765 to the nearest 10,000s. Let us first identify the digit in the 10,000s place. For this number, the number at the 10,000s place is 7. Okay, next, let us check the digit to its right. If it is less than 5, retain the digit to be rounded. If it is equal or more than 5, add 1 to the digit to be rounded. The number at the right of 7 is 3, which means we have to retain 7. And then, replace every digit to its right with zeros. So the number 73,765 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 70,000. Another example. Round 49,675 to the nearest 10,000s. Let us first identify the number at the 10,000s place. The number at the 10,000s place is 4. Okay, so let us check the number to its right. If it is less than 5, retain the digit to be rounded. If it is equal or more than 5, add 1 to the digit to be rounded. So the number at the right of 4 is 9. So that means we were going to add 1 and that 4 will become 5. Then, replace every digit to its right with zeros. So, 49,675 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 50,000. Let us check your understanding. Complete the table below. Round the following to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. For number 1, 23,456. Number 2, 65,745. Number 3, 30,496. Number 4, 95,045. And number 5, 81,260. Let us check your answer. 23,456 round to the nearest thousand is 23,000. Round to the nearest 10,000s is 20,000. 65,745 round to the nearest thousands is 66,000. Round to the nearest 10,000s is 70,000. 12,987 round to the nearest thousands is 13,000. Round to the nearest 10,000s is 10,000. 36,099 round to the nearest thousands, 36,000. Round to the nearest 10,000s, 40,000. 46,143 round to the nearest thousands is 46,000. And round to the nearest 10,000s is 50,000. If you got the perfect score, good job! Again, this is Teacher Let saying goodbye and thank you for watching.